Today, I'm gonna tell you that I have a baby here. His name is Hugo. He is smart and kulit. Yeah. How old are you? 2. Ano 7? You're just 2. How old are you? 2. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? Red or blue? He loves Spider-Man so much. He can sing.
Baby me cry. Baby die.
He can also dance. Oh yeah, you see? He can dance. And he can also show his tongue. Show your tongue. And he can also count. You count 1 to 10. Oh, very good. Oh, madami yan. Okay. And he can, okay. And he can say goodnight.
Not
Love you all.
boo.
Bye-bye.
Bye.